autonomous weapons are a feminist issue because these are weapons of the patriarchy. If we think about militarized ideas about masculinity and power, if we think about how weapons and violence are upheld by these constructs as tools of security, then we can imagine how weapons that are programmed with sensors and software to determine who lives and who dies will be used to execute the mission of patriarchy, the mission of dehumanization, of absolute control over who is seen and programmed as other. Banning killer robots is a feminist project, a project of true human security, peace, and justice.